Saw a little SF90. That's a GT3 without a wing, holy shit. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's perfect weather right now. It's literally in the 70s. Actually, it's 68, and I just figured it's a great time to go filming, drop a video for you guys. So right now I'm just gonna let my Z warm up, catch up to temp, and I'm actually gonna be linking up with some of the homies today. We're just gonna be shooting some car content. We're just gonna be like filming some videos, maybe some cruising. Damn, guys, there's a sick ass Porsche. I'm gonna try to see if you can see it. Sheesh, little C8 action. I don't know why, guys, but those cars don't really excite me, like, as they really hardly ever excited me. But like, even the new Z06, like, sure, it sounds cool, but I hate the wing on it, and I don't know, it's not like crazy to me anymore. Little review right here coming at you. I don't recommend drinking energy drinks, but if you do drink them, then this flavor by Red Bull, this is essential. So we'll get a little ASMR action, and then we will head out and link up with the boys. But let me give you guys that little. All right, cheers, guys. Whew, this is too good. 10 out of 10 flavor. I highly recommend it. But yeah, guys, don't drink energy drinks. I just feel low on energy right now, so I kind of need it. But right now we are leaving the gas station. We're about to head to the mall. It's like a block away or so. We're gonna link up with the homies, so let's get it. So we just made it to the mall. Got a little 8.6 right there. Okay. Oh, hold up. Alright, I got you, Chief. I just saw something, guys. We gotta pull over real quick. That's my thing. If I see something cool, I'm gonna pull over, you know. And I don't work today, so I have all the time in the world. So I'm just gonna hop out and show you guys what I saw, because I don't think you guys saw it, but I saw it, and it's kind of insane. Actually, I was at a car show yesterday. I didn't really film it too much, but yeah, I saw this car there, so it caught my eye. And of course, out of all places, it would be at the mall. Saw a little SF90. He's a little too close to the curb for my liking, but hey, man, it's clean. I like it. I think this got a twin turbo V8 making like 700 horsepower with a hybrid, something like that. I don't know the exact specs, but pretty sick. Got my little Z over there, you know, but we're just got to drive a little bit more behind the mall. The mall's all right here, but yeah, I had to stop for you guys. I'm just gonna take a quick snap of this. Yeah, let's hop back in the Z. Let's get to the meetup spot and we'll continue the video. But shit, if we see another Lamborghini Aventador or something crazy, we might just have to stop again. But yeah, I almost got in a car accident because I saw this car. Look, these dudes are about to go record it too. They saw it. Sure, yeah. Sounds good, man. Yeah. Stock boys. Damn.
Ooh, got the glasses on too.
Lexus boys out here today. I feel outnumbered.
Got the blue, the white, and the
yeah, and then we got a fucking Nissan. Damn. All right. Yeah, my boy Jaden in the ISF, he is cruising with us, and then my boy Evan, he has an IS250 F Sport. So I'm outnumbered. I'm with a couple Lexus boys, but hey, if you guys are OGs, you guys remember I used to own a IS300, so you know, I can get along with the Lexus community very well. Yeah, let's see if we can make this light. Sometimes it stays green and you can kind of just cruise. No, it just turned red. But as far as the Z goes, it's been pretty reliable, fingers crossed. It is an older car, guys, so like, you know, it has its little kinks. Like I just had to fix an oil leak on it, but nothing really major. This is annoying though. I'm trying to like pull out and cars keep coming. I'm gonna wait. Fuck. I hate this light. It's like one of those red lights you can't turn right on it. And some people do, but whatever. But yeah, guys, back to the Z. Everything's been pretty straight on the car. I got some new rims. I got a full exhaust. Just, you know, big plans for the car. And I'm picking up these parts pretty cheap. I'm buying them used off my friends. They're kind of selling their parts off their Zs, so I'm getting a pretty good deal on them. All right, let's go. Okay. Damn, there's a Jeep. Clean. There's a GT3. Holy shit. That is like one of my dream cars, guys. Where I am, guys, in Florida, there's a lot of expensive cars. This is like a big money area in Florida, especially where we're going, in Mexico, of course. But yeah, you'll see anything from Lambos, Ferraris, GT3s, you name it, it's all out here. Like I was saying earlier, I was just at a car event, Cars and Coffee, and there was like Bugattis there. I didn't film much, but I didn't film the event at all. I was just kind of just chilling, you know. We're gonna go under this bridge. I know that my car is not that loud, so we'll see if you guys can even hear it. But yeah, traditionally, if you go under a bridge, you gotta send it. See if you guys can hear my quiet Z. Was illegal what that dude just did, but yeah, guys, let me know if you could hear that. I doubt you could, but yeah, I can't wait to make this car just a little bit louder. It just needs a little bit of, just a little. This is a turning lane, so we have to get over it. Whoa, okay, dude, almost just, you guys saw that. Holy shit, what the fuck, bro. I was like turning with my signal and he just cut me off. That's crazy. Oh, this is a merge. What the fuck? I love when that happens, guys. You like change lanes and then it's a merge. Oh shit, dude, I'm about to hit the sign. Jeez. We're gonna take these little back roads back here. They're cool. They're cool. If you guys watch the POVs a lot, you know these roads. It's kind of the best roads in my. Ooh, that's a GT3 without a wing. Holy shit. Yeah, guys, like I told you, I'm telling you, man, there's some nice cars out here. I got some big news, everybody. The freaking Z just hit 169,000 miles, and it still runs, thankfully. Still makes pretty decent power for almost 170,000 miles. We will be hitting that pretty soon, actually. Sounds pretty good. Some nice views out here, you know, just cruising. Nice little downshifts. Oh man, that sun is blinding. Oh, what is this person doing, bro? You can't stop right there. Are you stupid? Guys, don't be like this person and stop right here at a roundabout. What are you doing, bro? You can't. Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay, I guess stop right there then. Yeah, they're doing like construction out here. They're about to build some crazy shit. Probably gonna build another mall back here. See if he wants to race. I'll race Jaden. See if the Z can hang with a 5.0 liter V8. We can get to our little spot and you guys can check out their cars a little bit more. Let's see. Nah, for sure he was reeling me in. I got the hit, but that's okay. I'll probably use that as my thumbnail. And that was a third gear pull. Usually I do second gear pulls. It's a little bit better for my car. We got him. We out here by the, you know, damn, the lighting's amazing. Yeah guys, we just took advantage of the sunset, just took a couple of rollers and stuff. Yeah, and guys, like I told you earlier, me and Jaden are gonna link up, and he's letting me drive his ISF. We'll do a review on that, so I don't know if it's gonna be the next video or the next couple videos, but just be sure to stay tuned for that. And then I'm even gonna do a review on Evan's car, just to kind of compare both Lexuses and the generations, and you know, they're kind of similar in some ways and they're kind of not, so we'll get reviews on both of these things.